Good morning, dear students. In previous section, we were discussing about types of chemical equation, in which first type of chemical reaction is combination reaction. What is meant by combination reaction? Yes, a reaction in which two or more reactants combine, they can form only one single product is known as combination reaction. Yes, reaction in which two or more reactants combine and to form a single product is known as combination reaction. Yes, at that time we were discussing totally more than 3 examples. Which first one example, when coal is burned because with the help of oxygen, at the end carbon dioxide is formed, C plus O2 can give rise to CO2. Yes, my dear students, observe here. Here, two reactants are combined. They can form what a single product is known as what a chemical combination reaction. Yes. Let us start. A second type of chemical reaction is chemical decomposition reaction. Second type, chemical decomposition reaction. All of you already learned in your previous classes definition of decomposition reaction. This is the definition of decomposition reaction. Let us observe here. A reaction in which a single reactant breaks down to form a product, a new product is known as decomposition reaction. Yes, my dear students, observe this. A reaction in which a single reactant breaks down to form a new product is known as decomposition reaction. In a decomposition reaction, there are totally 3 types. How many types? 3 types. First type of decomposition reaction is thermal decomposition reaction. Second type, electrolysis. Third one, photolysis. Yes, my dear students, here first one is thermal decomposition reaction. It means heat energy. Which energy? Heat energy. Second one is electrolysis decomposition. Yes, it needs electricity or electric energy. Third one is photolysis. It means it needs sunlight. Sunlight. Yes, let us do and first activity. Activity 1.5. Take about 2 grams of ferrous sulfate crystals in a dry boiling tube. Note the color of ferrous sulfate crystals. Heat the boiling tube over the flame of a burner or spirit lamp as shown in figure. Observe the color of the crystals after heating. Yes, my dear students. What will happen here? Observe. Activity 1.5. It is considered thermal decomposition reaction. Yes, ferrous sulfate is the green color crystal. On heating, it loses water of crystallization and forms hydrated ferrous sulfate. Afterwards, switch on decomposition to give ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Yes, 2FeSO4. It means ferrous sulfate can be used as to ferric oxide into O3 ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Ferrous sulfate is solid, oxide is also solid, sulfur dioxide gas and sulfur dioxide is also gas. Let us take second example. Example 2. When calcium carbonate on heating, it can decompose and to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Let's observe here. Calcium carbonate on heating, it decomposes and form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gases. Yes, my dear students, here only one single reactant is breaks down and to form more than 2 reactants. That is known as chemical decomposition reaction. Yes, it takes place with the help of heat energy. That's why it comes under thermal decomposition reaction. Let us take under activity 1.6. Take about 2 grams of lead nitrate powder in a boiling tube. Hold the boiling tube with a pair of tongues and heat it over a flame. What do you observe? Yes, my dear students, in an observation, we people perceives yellow coloration of lead oxide as well as a brown molecules of nitrogen dioxide. Let's observe here. Example 3. Lead nitrate on heating, it decomposes into form lead oxide and solid state, and 4NO2 nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen in the form of water gas. Yes, my dear students. Then for thermal decomposition process, here lead nitrate is breaks down and to form lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Here lead monoxide or lead oxide is yellow coloration, as well as nitrogen dioxide is a brown hue. Yes, in this reaction is important your SSLC main examination. Yes, in a second type of decomposition reaction is electrolysis process. Yes. Let us see activity 1.7. Take a plastic mug, drill 2 holes at its base and fit rubber stoppers in these holes. Insert carbon electrodes in these rubber stoppers. Connect these electrodes to a 6-volt battery. A mug with water such that the electrodes are immersed. Add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid to the water. Take 2 test tubes filled with water and invert them over 2 carbon electrodes. Switch on current and leave the apparatus undisturbed for some time. You will observe the formation of bubble at both the electrodes. Yes, mug is half filled with water, graphite rod. Yes, formation of bubbles are seen in 2 inverted test tubes, anode and cathode side. Yes, here hydrogen bubbles are formed, here oxygen bubbles are formed. Yes. When electric current is passed through water, it decomposes and to give oxygen and hydrogen. Yes, A. Yes, in an electrolysis of water, decomposition of water at the time 2s2 plus oxygen. Yes, both are formed here. decomposition of water. Second one, when electric current is passed through molten sodium chloride, it decomposes to give sodium metal and chlorine gas. Yes, second. When molten sodium chloride solution, so the solid is decomposes to give sodium as well as chlorine. Clear? Yes, my dear students. Today we all are discussed chemical decomposition reaction. Yes, chemical decomposition reaction means a single reactant breaks down to form two or more reactant. Afterwards, types of chemical decomposition reaction. There are totally three types of chemical reactions. Chemical decomposition reactions. First one is thermal decomposition reaction. Second one is electrolysis reaction, and last one is photolysis of decomposition reaction. Yes.